Hi and welcome. In this video, we are going to show you how to add funds to your account wallet step by step. So let's get started. First, log in into your account. Once you are in, go to the payment section and click on add fund to wallet. Now you'll need to choose how you want to transfer the funds. In this example, we will use USDT cryptocurrency, which is commonly used. You'll now see a form to fill out. Start by entering the amount you want to deposit. Then you'll see a USDT address provided by the system. This is very important. Make sure to send your funds only to this address. If you send it to the wrong address, the transaction can't be tracked or recovered, and unfortunately, we won't be able to help you with that. So double check before sending. Next, enter your sender TRC20 wallet address. This is a wallet you are sending the USDT from. If you haven't added a wallet yet, just click on Add USDT Wallet. Enter your address, hit confirm, and then wait for it to be verified. Then choose the transfer date. Pick the date you make the payment. And finally, paste your transaction ID. The transaction hash is 64 characters long, and you can get it from your wallet platform. You can also find it on transcon.org. Make sure the transaction ID is correct. If not, the system will show an error and won't let you move forward. Here, for example, you can see what happens when we enter an invalid hash. The app gives us an error. Now, we'll enter a valid one. Be sure to check the following before submitting. The amount matches exactly what you transferred, your USDT address is correct and approved, the transfer date is accurate, and the transaction ID is valid. And there you go, the funds are successfully added to the wallet. You can go back to the payment section to confirm the transaction has been added, and that's it. Simple and done. Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any mistakes.